Hi, this is JJ Heim with IMS Printing and Signs. Just going to do a quick tutorial on how to install your hours vinyl. So first step, make sure you have a really clean surface. Use a good quality Windex. And then once you're all clean, you want to do an adhesion test using some masking tape. So best way to do that, if you just take a small piece of masking tape, rub it onto the glass, and pull it off. If it grips pretty well, you should be good. If it comes right off, you know you may have left a little bit of window film on there. So next step, for your hours vinyl, I like to just put a couple of tabs of tape so you can tack it up onto the window. So we're going to put it up here. I like to go at 72 inches high to the top. So best way I've found to do that just again use a piece of masking tape. So from the ground to the top, we'll put the bottom of the tape at 72 inches. Then we're going to want to find the center of the window. So if you just measure this, right there it's 26 inches, so 13 is half. So right there you've got the center point of the glass. And then I also do the same thing on the window decal. So that's 17 inches wide, so that's 8.5 to the center. So I'm going to take 8.5 and mark that. So now I have center and center. If I bring that up now to the 72 inches and match up my center points, that gets you pretty close. And then if you have a little bullet level, just run that across a flat spot of the graphic and adjust for level as needed. It's right there. I always like to double check. So again, 72, center, center. Double check for level, which it is. And then at that point, I'm going to put a hinge of tape across the top of the graphic. And if it's a little bit cold outside, like it is today, sometimes I'll double the hinge as insurance on the top. So put that there. And the last step before we apply it, you use a credit card, driver's license, or if you happen to have a squeegee, use a squeegee. Just press the application tape onto the graphic one more time to make sure everything's fully adhered. And then from that point, we're going to flip this up and slowly peel this back. Make sure that none of the letters stick to the release liner. And then using this bow in the release liner, I'm going to make a little bridge. And I'm pulling down with my left hand, making sure this is nice and smooth. So from there, just use your squeegee, and we're gonna kind of go 45-degree angles working this way. So just like that. Pressing pretty firm on the glass. I'm gonna pull a little bit more release liner down, leaving some of that belly just to bridge the graphic off of the glass, just like that. Again, nice and smooth. And the last step is pull this all the way off. And this is the tricky part, just want to make sure it doesn't flip back over on itself. Just keep it off the glass, let the squeegee do the work. like that. I'm going to press over it 2 more times. Once in this direction. Again, a lot of firm pressure. And then again in this direction. Just like that. Take the masking tape off first. And then peel this at a 45-degree angle, flat against the glass, and then straight down. And just go slow, make sure none of the edges are jumping up. If they do, just use your thumb and press them back down. And just take your time, go kind of slow. Right there, the 2 kind of lifted. There we go. There it is. Get rid of our guide up here. And just look for anything that may be sticking up. This one looks pretty good. So that's it. Now you have your new office hours. Thanks for watching.